Hi, I'm Raj. I'm from India and I'm an IT professional. When I decided to start my application process for Express Entry, my knowledge about the process was limited. So I started gathering information about the process from various sources, mostly over the internet. I came across Mark Holt's step-by-step guide to Express Entry from the internet and decided to give it a try. I followed the entire guide over a 1 month period and was able to resolve a lot of the doubts and misconceptions that I had about the process. Moving forward, I feel very much confident about the application process, and I would definitely recommend this step-by-step guide to all the applicants who wish to apply for Express Entry to Canada. I wish them success in their application process. I would also like to thank Mark Holty for taking the time to create this step-by-step guide, and I wish him success in this process also. Thank you so much for your time.